In this video, I'll show you the exact step-by-step process to create 30-minute-long animated stories like Zootopia, with perfect lip sync, using just a single prompt. That looks something like this.
Heck! All the donuts are gone! This is definitely a donut theft case.
Don't look at me. I haven't even had breakfast yet.
Size 12. We need to check the storage room, now!
On it.
I might have accidentally eaten all the donuts.
There are channels consistently uploading AI-generated movies, getting millions of views, and earning around $50,000 every single month. But here's the catch. Sora 2 requires an invitation code and can only generate videos that are 20 seconds long. But today, you can use Sora 2 inside videoinu AI to automatically match high-quality audio while also creating short films or long-form videos of up to 30 minutes. And because I genuinely want to see you succeed, I'm giving away 5 Pro subscriptions. I'll explain exactly how you can participate and win one for free later in this video. So make sure to stick around till the end. Welcome to AI Upskill. Let's get started. Now, the foundation of any great animated story is a solid script with proper scene descriptions and dialogues. And to make things easier, we'll use ChatGPT. I've already created a pro-level prompt that does everything for you. You can grab it from my Discord video prompts channel. Just copy the prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. You only have to replace this placeholder with your own story idea. You can also customize the prompt based on your needs. And just like that, ChatGPT generates complete scenes with detailed summary and dialogues. Alright, now here's where the real magic happens. It's time to use an AI tool to transform those scene prompts into a complete animation video. And for this, I'm going to use videoinu AI. It's the world's first tool that integrates Sora 2 for cinematic quality animations. It creates videos up to 30 minutes long with consistent characters, something that was literally impossible just months ago. And here's a quick reminder. In the next few minutes, I'll share the exact giveaway requirements, where you can get the chance to use this AI tool for free. So head over to this tool from the description of this video. Once you have completed your sign-in, you'll be brought to this friendly dashboard. Now, before moving forward, if you're still watching right now, you're already part of the 10% who actually take action. Most people watch and do nothing. So go ahead, hit that like button and subscribe, because I share new AI tools, trending niches, and faceless automation strategies every single week. Inside the videoinu dashboard, go to the latest story to video section. Now you have 3 options. You can either choose the basic script option if you already have a complete script. If you only have a rough idea like we just created, you can use the smart script option. And if you don't even have an idea, you can use the sample idea given above. This loads a pre-designed template with scenes and characters. For now, I'll use the smart script option and paste in the idea we generated with ChatGPT. Next, select your preferred video style. As per my video idea, the Zootopia style works perfectly, but you can select based on your video idea. Then select the video duration from here. As you can see, it supports videos up to 30 minutes long, but for this video, I'll keep it short. Finally, choose the aspect ratio and language of the video, and simply click the Create button. The tool instantly breaks my idea into scenes, and here's where it shocked me. It automatically provides a summary of the video, its cast, the script with scenes, and a preview of scene 1. You can edit the characters in your story from here. This is how the tool maintains consistency throughout your entire video. From here, you can either choose from the existing characters or create your own new character by putting a prompt in this box. I'll stick with the default generated characters to keep this quick. Once you hit Next, the tool starts generating storyboard images for each scene. And when I saw the storyboard images, I actually paused for a second. Look at this, 18 storyboards, each one perfectly matching my idea, with consistent characters across every frame. And here's the cool part, it even lets you fine-tune every detail in your video. If you didn't like a scene, simply make changes to the prompt from here. Click on the Regenerate button, and a completely new image will be generated for free. So using this, I will make sure all my images looks perfect and as per my needs. Now watch what happens next. Once all your shots are perfect, it's time to convert them into video. This is where Sora 2 comes in. Simply click on the Animate button. You can either animate all shots at once or do them one by one. For now, I'll animate one scene so you can see the quality. Simply choose your preferred video model. I'm going with Sora AI because it gives the smoothest visuals and handles lip sync perfectly. Simply click Confirm. videoinu will start animating the scene. Let me skip ahead to show you the results. Look at this.
Someone stole it, Nick! We have a thief on our hands!
Guess break time just got interesting.
The characters' lips are perfectly synced to the dialogue, the movements are smooth, and the quality is honestly insane. And this is why I'm obsessed with this tool. Now simply repeat this process until all of your shots are animated. So once you're done, simply click Next. From here, you can add a cover title, subtitles, and background music. But for now, I'm keeping it simple and skipping these options. Finally, click the Generate button. Alright, while that's rendering, let's talk about the giveaway. Here's exactly what you need to do to win one of the 5 Pro subscriptions. Sign up for videoinu using the link in the description. Leave a comment below telling me what you like about this tool and what improvements you'd want to see. And make sure you've liked this video and subscribed to the channel. Just be quick, as this offer is only valid for 5 members who complete all the 3 steps. Alright, the video is done. Let me show you the final result.
Nick, my Mega Muffin is gone! This is a muffin emergency! I left it right here, still warm. Now there's just crumbs.
Tragic. Want me to file a missing pastry report, or should we wait for the crumbs to...
Someone stole it, Nick! We have a thief on our hands!
Guess break time just got interesting.
Look! A crumb trail! Someone made a sloppy getaway.
Or a very tasty one.
I look at the thief must have gone this way.
Or they were just really hungry.
Aha! This print is huge! Definitely not mine!
I'd hope not. I'd hate to see the shoes that fit that thing.
Which means our guy's still close. Stay ready.
Unless you suddenly grew size 12 paws overnight.
That's... huge. Size 12. We need to check the storage room, now!
On it.
The Muffin Bandit is inside. Let's get this over with, partner.
I was hungry.
Officer McHorn, that was my Mega Muffin!
I'm, sorry, Carrots. I didn't know.
Now you do. And you owe me one.
I'm sorry, Judy. I didn't know it was yours. I bought you a new one. Actually, 12.
Damn, this looks so real. You can't even tell it's AI generated. Want to see another example? Here's a second project I created using the exact same method. This is how some of the shots turned out.
Heck! All the donuts are gone! This is definitely a donut theft case.
Don't look at me. I haven't even had breakfast yet.
Look at the consistency and the quality. This would have taken me 20+ hours with traditional methods.
I might have accidentally eaten all the donuts.
You can improve the realism even more by manually improving your prompts. But honestly, even the base level results are crazy good. And that's how easy it is to create animated story videos using AI. You now have everything you need: the tool, the prompts, and a chance to win a Pro subscription for free. The barrier to entry for creating animated content has never been lower. Channels are making thousands of dollars every month with this exact method. The link to videoinu AI is in the description, along with my Pro level prompt inside my Discord server. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.